One accident just happened inside the Tema motorway toll booth. This one they happen inside Ghana. And as we gather our report, and we gather say this driver, if na see speed where this driver they use take move. Now there people who even there around come notice, e be like say something they happen. No? Either this driver na one kind unexperienced driver, I be maybe in don't high, I be don't sleep for the steering. But before we go see this man, trailer and him motor, everything don't go jam this toll booth, kill people for there, destroy things. My people beg, make na follow me see.
The truck, which was heading to Accra from Michelle Camp, crashed into the toll booth around 6:30 a.m., injuring about 7 people who were at the scene. The deceased, Isaac Kojokumsin, who is said to have a hearing impairment, was sweeping the vicinity at the time and was oblivious to the shout from bystanders for him to flee as the truck approached. The truck ran over his 2 legs and the left hand. A stolen vehicle that had stopped at one of the booths was struck in the process and the toll booth destroyed. An eyewitness said he saw the driver asleep behind the wheel. The toll booth attendant could be seen wailing. The injured, including a pregnant woman, were rushed to the Tema Regional Hospital, where the health director, Dr. Richard Anthony, confirmed the death of the cleaner despite strenuous efforts to save him.
As in things they happen. Now wow. See person will be saying no go even expect saying go die today. Now you could come decide saying one die. And as we gather, one person don't die and the remaining 7 people waiting for this place, they did very seriously injured. No be small accident happen for there. In fact, say the man where this trailer climbing leg and we hear say the man not to the hear like that, blessing are deaf and dumb. Now there my mind when they go, if no be say country self no dey okay. Deaf and dumb person, what did they do for main road where you know say motor they go, they come, they pass up and down. How you wanted a year horn? But we hear say this man a cleaner. So even as cleaner, they're supposed to even put her for one side, they'll be saying you go no say injures they there on the safe side because now no say no they hear car horn and all these things. Now innocent person just die. Say this motor crash, in fact he crush him. In hand or in leg or everything just scatter together. And now I say, police don't even arrest this driver because them, as they do their investigation, they notice say they say no brake fail. If the driver they try like say na brake, they say nothing fail. And then they notice say if like say this driver in don't sleep or be in don't high somehow. Now make this accident can't go happen. And funny enough, I make a shock on this driver one scratch, kitchen no dey in body. In the okay, hell and healthy, on they see life. Person when they drive the rough drive, nothing to am. Person when no even know anything. Be this man say no even sabi drive motor. Now him na trailer come carry go jam and just like that. Now the way people they die like chicken, I know they even understand. But I think say we they complain about this trailer and trucks driver. Say make they know they move during daytime where people they around. Make they sit down for their house. If nights come, if they like, make they do driving competition for road. Make they follow and they do. Because this one at daytime, you go to see trailer driver and you now go to compete for road. I don't know whether they do all those ones just to the scare person and be waiting to try and know they even understand. They go do and so tell you where they even drive your motor, fear go catch you, fear just go park where they think about your life. So I may say that in this trailer, people they really fear them. So maybe they go put a pause, maybe they go put law, say, make an know they move during daytime or night time, fine, make an carry road. Anyhow, when I want person, make an person. But this one, I still thank God, say, this death, pass like this, now just one person, 9 die. And the other people, as big government, don't carry their matter put for head, say they go carry them, go hospital. Everything where go cost, they go take care of. And I hope say we no go hear of any calamity again on top them, these 7 where the hospital. Because you gotta say the injury where these people say gather, say one person even get belly among them. The injury where they gather no be small. And what make we dey careful as we dey move, make we just dey thank God, make we no because there people they die now. You suppose they thank God for your life. If you wake up, thank God about them. My people I beg, I hear this one. I want to make I bring and come, make na service na here waiting they happen. Make na don't forget to comment, like, and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video. It don't red inside Ghana because protesters now don't hit street. They don't go there, they complain about the police killing, the military killing where they happen, and the insecurity stuff where they happen inside the country. Sure, I think in only one place now this whole thing they happen for. I don't know say this one self don't enter Ghana. It don't they reach everywhere. People don't they wake up. Everybody eye don't clear. On herself now go promise change. On they give them another thing. Now there people self don't bust out. They do their own protest. And this whole protest now NDC party now in the host. Me, I dey reason say some political things dey inside this whole matter, because if say na normal use like the whole country, people come out and say, okay, they won't do this kind of thing for reason and well. But this time, be say na only NDC youths na dey host this kind of thing, my people. If like say something dey inside. But now they come outside, they talk about the fix the country wahala. Say things no good for the country. Say people dey hunger. Make their president Akufo-Addo do something about this whole matter. My people, make now follow me watch. As this protest they go for road, now so they go on different social media platforms. Now so people say carry their billboard, they talk about this whole thing. Say that they hungry. Say in fact, I want them their own police, because they provide security for them. See as police carry motor, like say what won't even happen. Gather for road, they guide road. Say people they protest. Why Nigeria police no do this kind of thing during our own Lekki protest? Una dey see country, una dey see unity. But my people beg, as na stand here, make na use one leg, make one leg dey for another place. As na leg dey for here, make the second one dey house. In case president go give another law, say okay, make dem start to dey shoot, na go know say na don japa reach in a house. Make dem no go do wetin for happen for Lekki, the shooting wey happen for Lekki, make dem no come repeat am for here. But I sure say this one now, big people dey among. Say people dey complain, say hungry dey, say everything don increase. Something wey be say na 1 cedi, e don turn to 50 cedis. Everything don increase times 3. So people now they really vex. My Ghana neighbor people abeg. I no know as we want to beg this our president, but me I dey reason abeg. More we do exchange. Make Buhari come in aside small, maybe just for like 2 months. Make we self contact Nanado. Maybe na go come see the difference. Na go understand say in fact una dey enjoy. Na there na go know say this one when I dey even complain, na never see Foko, na still dey learn. But abeg, President Nanado abeg do something about this whole matter. People they really vex, people they complain, say hungry day, say everything don't change. The thing where you promise them, no be this one you bring. You come there say you won't come touch lives, you don't come turn their lives all around. Things don't even change for everybody. Transport will go be small money before it don't increase. It means that this whole thing, it blessing at the whole of Africa and they suffer this whole sufferness. But I like as then these people say don't come outside. They gather the morale, come outside, come complain. Because the people they keep quiet. One day last everybody go just die inside the country. We say person they close mouth. Fine, you do some things good. Why people they complain? Because recently so they gather they arrest some people, they even arrest one celebrity, Efia Odo, because of this fix the country protest. So I hope say this one said they don't one letter here say they don't go arrest some people, but they don't go catch some people. We don't want to hear that one. People they come outside, they speak their mind. They talk their mind. So listen to them. If you know say you go fit do something about them, do the thing about them. Not be saying I go the ear for 1 year, the thing go to come outside for 1 year because you and Buhari na be 5 and 6. But I don't know behind the same sickness where they worry and they follow you self. So I beg do something about this whole thing. I don't know who go follow you talk about. I don't know even who go come beg you. Tell you say people they vex. So now people go come outside. This thing go turn to another thing. Make no come go be like Nigeria or we say so now katakata will come boss so we say people will come they fight and police and they do all this kind of thing. Now make people don't come outside now they tell you. But this NDC I don't know. But for their election now who go win or who no go win we never know. Because it just be like party. Now it just blessing our 2 parties now they tackle themselves. Now so they reason the thing. We don't know who good, we don't know who bad. It just be like APC and PDP. Now so this one said just be NPP and NDC. Now the 2 major parties, me I just see and say na tackling. They just want if this one bring you, this one say go bring you. My people, maybe they see as this thing they go. I hear this one inside Ghana, come make I bring her come on aside, make na service na here. Here waiting they happen. Anything when I feel, make na don't forget to write down for the comment section. Make na don't forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for our next video.